So kakuha na ta ticket, no, from San Carlos to Toledo, and light ferry one, and nandun na kung pilang oras ang trip na subong kay dugay na kuhay kapasibo. Okay, so guwan na sa terminal building na, and sakay na itong barko. So let's go. So it's 1:20 and we are leaving the San Carlos port. So time right now is 2:40. It's around 1 hour and 20 minutes na biyahe. So after 1 hour and 20 minutes, so abot na sa Toledo.